Formatting font and size. The best way to learn how to change font and size in Power BI is to do it with the table. In this video, we're going to explore how to change font and size in these categories: grid, values, column headers, total, and specific column. We'll start with the grid because this will affect a value, column header, and total. Clicking on it to expand, we can see several subcategories of properties to format the table. Now, you can see a toggle with an on-off switch. But we can hardly see the lines. Let's change the color to red and the width to 3. Now, when switching on and off, we can see the change clearly. Similarly, the vertical grid line works in the same way. Just switch it on, change the color to orange, and the width to 3, and now you can see a vertical grid line on the table. Moving on to the border, we can select a section to change, for example, all the table or only the header, values, or total sections. Now, we will select all sections, and click on the top, bottom, left, and right. Now, you can see the outline appear. The last subcategory is options. So we can change the row padding if it's too tight, then we can expand it. And we can change the font size for all of the table, including the header, value, and total. Next, we're going to change the value only. This category will affect values from here to here. We can change font, size, bold, italic, and underline. We can also change text color, background color, alternative text color, and alternative background color. For the text wrap, you can see the difference here. If the text wrap is off, we can see the ... And it's on, we can see all the text, but the row is wider. Moving on to the column header. This will only affect the headers here. For text, we have the same customization. Let's try it to see the differences. For the option, to see the effect, let's make the column thinner. Then switch on the auto size width, and you can see the width of the column average price is adjusted. Next, we will explore the total category. We can hide the total line by switching it off. We can change the total label, for example, type total sales here. We can also change the font, size, text, and background color. Finally, if you want to customize only a specific column, use this category. Select the column you want to edit, for example, the sales column. And select the section of the column you want to apply, like header, total, and values. Now, we're going to apply only the values. However, in this category, we can only change the text and background color, alignment, unit display, and decimal. We cannot change the font and size here.